guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm just going to be doing a little fall get ready with me. I did a cute little hair look and makeup look, so if you want to see it, just stay tuned. Alright folks, I already did, oh my gosh, I feel awkward. They're like unloading food here. The guy's like straight up looking at me. It's okay. So I already did my face makeup, so I'll just show y'all what I used because I have the same makeup routine. I don't know why I keep like doing a get ready with me because it's literally the same thing. So for concealer, I used the NARS Cream Concealer in the shade Light to Vanilla. And then for foundation, this is my favorite foundation I found for, sorry, Rosie's always acting up when I'm filming. But anyways, I just used the Clinique Even Better Glow. That's what it looks like. It's super good for dry skin. And then I just set my face using the Cover FX translucent setting powder. I actually haven't set my face yet. I need to do that. I was going to. It's awkward, y'all, because I'm on the first floor and people literally pass by here all day long. So I really don't keep my window open because I feel weird, like people can see my business. But I opened it a little bit just to get some natural light. And I only really set my under eyes because the rest of my face is very dry, not very cute, kind of flaky, like a biscuit. Okay, so here's the thing, I don't ever really do eyeshadow because I feel like it closes my eyes off, but you know, we're gonna do it today. So this palette is really old, but it's literally my favorite palette ever. I was really into ColourPop. Like I would, like anytime they had a launch, which was like, they launch a lot of stuff like frequently, I would buy a palette, and this is my favorite palette from them. It's the Dream Street. It's the Kathleen Lights times ColourPop. Seriously, my favorite palette because it's super neutral. I mean, there is like some blue. There's like 2 blues and a coral. I don't use them because like I can't do makeup, so I would look like a clown. But it's okay. So I'm gonna take. Also, I get super confused. Okay, I think this one is Stardust. It's just this like peachy brown shade. Y'all, I'm sorry about Rosie. She was going to puppy kindergarten, and she would go every Sunday, and it was like training for her. But it like wasn't working, and she had 2 more classes left, and I'm like it's not working. Oh shit. So yeah, I don't know if she's gonna graduate because she can't even do, like, she can't even just like sit down and relax. I'm not sure why. Comment down below. Like she's super hyperactive. We try to take her out for walks and stuff, but even then she just wants to run around. Can't be having that all the time, so okay. See what I mean? I don't know if it's just because I don't know how to do eyeshadow, but it like really closes my eyes off. Okay, I'm gonna go in with this light brown for the outer corner. Also, like, I don't think I have the best brushes. These are Morphe brushes, but they're super old. I feel like they're not the right shape. They just looked at me. Felt awkward. Okay. Oh, I'm going to just fluff it out, you know, just a little fluffing. I asked on my Instagram like for questions, so I had something to talk about. I don't know if anyone's gonna ask me questions. I like mostly people I have on my Instagram or like from my hometown and stuff. They're really not the type to like answer the polls. It's okay. So I'm gonna finish my eyeshadow off in a little bit, but I'm gonna do some bronzing so I don't look like Casper. See, now I look bad. So like, what's the deal? Can someone teach me how to do makeup? I would really love it. Gotta get the nose. So the only thing I miss about summer, it's basically still summer here, but I just don't go out. Also, like my hairline, have y'all seen The Ordinary comes out with like a hair growth thing? I think I'm gonna get it just for right here because I literally have so much hair except for there. Like, I kind of look like Dr. Phil. It's okay though. Okay, and this is just the Becca Bali Sands bronzer. Best bronzer, I think. I don't really use many, so that's cute. And then I'm gonna take this ColourPop. I'm telling y'all, ColourPop was my thing. I don't know what the name of it is because like it doesn't have it on here, but basically it's just like this super pretty light pink. It's a little bit more cool toned because I feel like that works with my skin a little bit better. And then I just bring it up here. And then I just take a big brush just to blend everything together because I feel like sometimes I look a little splotchy. Okay, I'm gonna do my eyebrows. I literally just do Gimme Brow and then I'll get back to y'all. This is really just kind of, sorry, my camera like died really quick. Had to fix some things, but this is really kind of just a trust the process moment. I feel like there's literally dog hair everywhere, kind of gross. Okay, so I'm just kind of focusing it towards the inner corner, just to open up my eyes a little bit. Oh, why does it look so bad? What the heck? I'm never doing one of these again until I figure out how to do makeup. I'm just putting a light shade on my brow bone. Maybe it'll help my case. Still doesn't look good. It's okay. Where's my eyelash curler? Where is it? Wait, I have actually such a funny story. So, I take a lot of inspiration from Hannah Miller's, like, just like her style and stuff. And I saw that she had, been doing, like, eyeliner, like, winged eyeliner. And I was like, no, I'm gonna try it. I have to. She's iconic. And so oh my god, people keep passing by. I feel like I want to hide. Okay, so I tried to do the wing eyeliner. Basically, like, it literally went like all the way out to here, and it like wasn't one of those like cute sharp wings, like, you know, people like do, like where they look like super chic. No, I literally look like a clown. I'm never doing it again until someone teaches me how to do it. But basically, this is a really good eyeliner because it literally took forever to get off. Like, I had the Clinique cleansing balm and I was in the shower and I was like rubbing it off and it wasn't coming off, and I was like, there's no way that I'm gonna have to have this eyeliner stuck on me forever. But after a lot of like scrubbing, it finally came off. But if you're looking for a good eyeliner this cheap and it's gonna stay on, the Clinique, I mean not Clinique, ColourPop. I feel like a lot of ColourPop stuff, they're cheap. But yeah, if you don't want it to come off, the tears won't take it off, broken heart won't take it off, so go ahead and get this. Let me get my eyelash curler and I'll be right back. I told you I would look significantly better with a little bit of mascara. So I'm just gonna show y'all my favorite fall. Yeah, fall. Where did my lipstick go? Oh, it's right here. Found it. Okay, so I like to use the same lip liner all year round because I just really don't feel like, even when I put lip liner on, you can't even see it. Also, am I just dumb, or do the ColourPop lip liners, like, once you get, like, you can't crank it up? I don't know. It's like been scratching my lips because it's like the plastic part is already like showing. Oh. Okay. So basically I don't even really put that on because it's just plastic. People keep walking by and they're looking at me and I'm like, okay. And then this is my favorite. It's an OG, but it's so good. It is the MAC lipstick in Velvet Teddy. I honestly don't like when I have too much lipstick on because first of all, my lips are always chapped because I don't drink any water. sweet tea only. But yeah, I just literally just dab a little bit on. I like it because it's a little like cool toned, like a little folly. So I'm gonna show you how to do this cute hairstyle that I saw. Kind of Hair by Chrissy kind of inspired me, but I can't do like those really cool braids she does. So I'm gonna show y'all something else. So I'm gonna get to curling my hair and then I'll show y'all. Gosh, so I curled my eyelashes. I feel like I didn't tell y'all. I curled my eyelashes with the Tarte eyelash curler. It's the best one. And then I used the Monsieur Big by Lancome, the waterproof. I can only use waterproof mascara because my eyes are super watery. Yeah. Okay, bye. Okay, so a lot of people ask me how I curl my hair when I curl it. I know I look like a gremlin on this side, but just ignore it. So I use a wand because that's the easiest for me. The clamps always like crimp, put like little crimps in my hair that I don't like. So the wand's easiest for me. So I just keep it flat on the barrel. I don't twist it or anything. And then I leave about an inch out. And this is how I get the best results. My camera's about to go off, sorry. It's gonna go off soon. Okay, I moved to my bathroom because there's no way I can do this braid like sitting down. So I'm gonna just show you how to do it here. Okay, I don't want to take too much because then I don't want to look like I'm balding like I already am. So I'm gonna take a little section at the top, about an inch. I'm just making sure that I'm still in frame. Okay, and then I'm gonna Dutch braid. So you're gonna braid underneath instead of over, and this just helps with like shape and stuff. And I'm gonna leave my little bangs out. So I'm gonna just grab and then go under. I don't know if y'all can see. And then I'm gonna grab and go under. Be really careful not to grab too much from the front because it'll look odd, especially on me. If you have like a lot more like thicker hair than me, you can definitely probably grab more from the front, but I'm kind of grabbing underneath instead of from the side. Okay, this is what the braid looks like right now. It looks a little like I just got back home from summer camp, but so I'm just gonna like pancake it. Oh my gosh, using the technical terms. Basically what you're just doing is making it look bigger and fluffier. I just pull on it. I know some people pancake it while they're braiding, but that's honestly just like way too much for my brain cells. So I just pull it and make it super messy. Just like this. Okay, I'm gonna finish that and then I'll show y'all the final look. Okay, y'all, this is the finished look. Sorry, my room's these jeans are from American Eagle. This cute little jacket is from Willow 31 Boutique. They're literally on TikTok all the time. I had to get something from them because this jacket is literally precious. And then I just have a Zara crop top on. But yeah, that is super cute. Let me do a little model. Okay, that's it. Okay guys, and I literally just hit 300 subscribers. Thank y'all so much. It's literally, I know it doesn't seem like a lot, but I cannot believe it. I never thought I would get past 50. So thank you so much guys for that. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and thank you for watching. I appreciate all the love and support. Thank you guys. Love y'all.